Experts weigh in, saying the case against an accused child killer should not be thrown out.
This despite claims the Butler County Sheriff's Office violated attorney-client privilege by listening in on phone calls. 9 on Your Side's TJ Parker is getting some answers tonight about how jail phone calls are handled. TJ?
Well, Carol, Young's attorney says his defendant called him 6 times from the Butler County jailhouse, saying all those times were recorded and could be used against him. In an effort to drop the murder case against Bradley Young, Young's attorney, Frank Schiavone IV, claims the Butler County Sheriff's Office listened in on calls made from jail between him and his client. In the motion to dismiss the case, Schiavone says the Sheriff's Office, quote, began acting on the information received and further acted to interfere with the representation of Bradley Young.
There's a lot of sort of complicated factors here.
9 on Your Side went looking for answers. Criminal defense attorney Mark Crumbine, who isn't involved in the case, says if attorney-client privileges were violated, throwing out the entire murder case isn't right.
If this was a violation of his privacy right to talk to an attorney, then perhaps the judge would throw out that particular bit of evidence.
We spoke with Butler County prosecutor Mike Moser, who says there's a clear sign in the jail letting both inmates and their attorneys know all calls are monitored and recorded. They have the option to not have calls recorded, but Moser says Young's attorney didn't do that. He adds none of those calls would be used as evidence anyway.
When you're defending somebody in a murder, you have to do whatever you think is even remotely possible to try to help your client. You have to vigorously defend them.
Mark says most jails record and monitor incoming and outgoing calls. We spoke with officials at the Butler County Jail who confirm they listen in on all calls made and that Young's attorney should know that.
I am always surprised how freely prisoners speak on the phone.
Mark says the best practice is to always talk to an attorney in person if possible. Now, I did reach out to Young's attorney today. He declined to comment on camera. There is a motion to dismiss the case that is scheduled for Friday. We're live in Hamilton. I'm TJ Parker, 9 on Your Side.